You're sitting at your desk, late at night. The glow of your phone lights up the room, but the screen's still empty. No reply. You sent a text hours ago. Maybe a joke, maybe a plan. It doesn't matter. The silence does. It's not just quiet, it's heavy. Like a weight you can't name. Not anger, not sadness, just something off. You've been here before, haven't you? Trying to make it work. Giving your time, your energy, your thoughts. But the air feels one-sided. Like you're carrying a conversation, a connection, alone. If that sounds familiar, stay. We're not here to fix it. We're not here to tell you what to do. We're just here to notice, to see things clearly, without the noise. 4 behaviors, 4 quiet signals. Not to judge her, but to understand where you stand. Let's look at them together. If you've ever felt that weight, that silence, leave a sign. A like, a comment. Not for me, not for fame, just so someone else can find this pause. 2. This moment of clarity, for them. 1. She doesn't make time. Picture this. You're planning to meet up. You text, suggest a coffee, a walk, a call, something simple. Her reply comes, eventually. I'm busy. Or maybe, work's crazy right now. You nod to yourself, because life is busy. You get it. You're busy too. Deadlines stack up. Emails belaying. Your mind's racing from one task to the next. But you still find a moment, don't you? A minute to text back. An hour to grab a drink. Because when something matters, you make time. Not out of duty, but because it feels right. Now think about her. Is it always the same? Busy, again and again. Plans fall through. Message sit unread. You're left waiting, wondering. It's not about her schedule. It's about her choice. Marcus Aurelius, he ruled an empire. Armies, laws, lives. Yet, he carved out time for what mattered. His thoughts, his values, his peace. He wrote in his journal, late at night, not because he had to, but because it was his priority. A woman who values you, she does the same. Not grand gestures, not always free evenings, but moments. A quick call, a shared laugh, a check-in. She finds them, because you're worth it to her. If those moments are rare or gone, notice. Don't react. Don't chase. Just see it. Time isn't just a gift. It's a mirror. It shows you where you stand. You're not a line on her to-do list. You're not a maybe. Your time is finite. Your energy limited. If she's not showing up, what does that say? Not about her, but about you. About what you're letting slide. Pause here. Breathe. Ask yourself, how long have you been waiting? How many busy texts have you let pass? It's not about blame. It's about clarity. Seeing what is, not what you hope. A woman who sees your value, she'll make space. Not because you ask, but because she wants to. Notice the difference. Let that sink in slowly. 2. Your efforts fade unseen. You know that feeling, don't you? You go out of your way. Plan something thoughtful. Maybe it's a dinner. You spent an hour picking the place. Or a text, crafted just to make her smile. You put in the work, because it feels good to give. To show up, to care. But then, nothing. No acknowledgement. No, that was sweet. Just silence. Or worse, a shrug. That's nice, and it stings. Not loud, not dramatic. But it's there, a quiet ache. You tell yourself, maybe she didn't notice. Maybe she's just distracted. So you try again. Harder. More effort. More time. Hoping this time she'll see it. But she doesn't. Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, he said something simple. Focus on what you control. Your actions. Your intent. Your effort. Not her response. Not her gratitude. You can't make someone see what they choose to ignore. Your effort, it's a piece of you. Your time, your heart, your thought. When you give it, it's not small, it's not trivial, it's you. And when it's overlooked, again and again, it's not just ingratitude. It's a signal, a quiet one, but clear. She's not seeing you, not the way you deserve. Think about it. You're not asking for praise. You're not begging for thanks. But when you pour yourself into something and it's met with nothing, it wears you down. It's like shouting into a void. Your energy, it's not endless. You know this. Late nights at work, early mornings grinding. Your mind's already full, isn't it? Overthinking, second guessing, wondering if you're enough. You don't need someone adding to that weight. A woman who values you, she notices. Not just the big things, the small ones. The way you remembered her favorite coffee. The way you listened, really listened, when she was stressed. She sees it and she shows it. Maybe a smile. Maybe that meant a lot. Maybe just her effort in return. That's not asking for too much. That's just reciprocity. Without it, you're running on empty, pouring into a cup that's already full. Or worse, leaking. Pause. Think about the last time you tried. Really tried. What did you get back? Silence? A half-hearted nod? Or nothing at all? Don't rush to answer. Just notice. Your effort is your value. It's your integrity. Your present. If she's blind to it, that's not your failure. It's her choice. And you get to choose too. Choose where your energy goes. Choose who sees it. Choose yourself. 3. She stays. Surface level. You've had those talks, haven't you? The ones that go nowhere. You ask about her day, she says, fine. You share a dream, a fear, something real, and she changes the subject, or checks her phone, or laughs it off. It's not that she's cold. Not always. Sometimes she's warm, funny, there, but only on the surface. Never deeper. Never where it matters. You want to know her, her thoughts, her fears, her fire. But it's like there's a wall. Not a big one. Not obvious. Just there. You feel it. Every time you try to go beyond small talk. Every time you share something raw. It's not returned. Seneca, he wrote about connection. Real connection. The kind that comes from sharing what's true. Your struggles, your hopes, your quiet moments. That's what builds a bond. Not just words, but depth. A woman who values you. She wants that depth. She wants to know what keeps you up at night. What makes you laugh. What drives you when no one's watching. She's curious. Not because she has to be, but because she cares. But when that curiosity is missing, when every talk feels like a script, it's a sign. Not loud, not cruel, just empty. You're not here for empty. You're not here for shallow. Your mind's already full, isn't it? Full of questions, full of doubts, full of noise. You don't need more of that. You need someone who meets you where you are. Someone who listens when you're quiet. Someone who asks when you're silent. Someone who sees the real you. Not the version that's easy. Not the version that's convenient. The you that's messy, ambitious, human. If she's not there, if she's not asking, if she's not sharing, notice. Don't push. Don't beg. Just see it. Emotional connection. It's not a luxury. It's not optional. It's the pulse of anything real. Without it, you're just two people. Talking. Passing time. You're worth more than that. Your heart, your mind, they're not here to fill gaps. They're here to build something. Something true. Something deep. Pause. Think about your last real talk. Was it real? Or was it just words? Let that sit. Let it breathe. 4. Respect feels uneven. This one's quiet, but it cuts. You say something, maybe a goal, an idea, something that lights you up, and she brushes it off. A smirk, that's cute, or worse, silence. Not the good kind, The kind that makes you feel small. You don't notice it at first. It's subtle. A comment here, a dismissal there. But it adds up, like drops in a bucket, until it's heavy. You start to doubt your ideas, your worth, your place. Marcus Aurelius, he was an emperor, but he treated everyone with respect. Not because of their rank, not because of their power, but because they were human, worthy, just as they were. A woman who values you, she does the same. She hears you, she sees you, even when she disagrees, even when she's tired. She doesn't tear you down, even quietly. She doesn't make you feel less. Respect isn't loud. It's not always kind words or big gestures. It's in the small things. The way she listens when you speak. The way she values your time. The way she honors your presence. When that's missing, you feel it. Not in your head, not in your heart, but in your gut. It's that twist, that unease, that moment you realize you're not being seen. You're not asking for worship. You're not asking for agreement. You're just asking to be heard, to be valued, to be respected. And when that's not there, it's not just a gap. It's a signal. A quiet one, but real. You don't need to fight for respect. You don't need to prove your worth. You just need to notice when it's not there and choose what to do with that. Pause. Think about the last time you felt dismissed, not argued with, not challenged, just ignored. What did that feel like? Don't answer out loud. Just feel it. Let it settle. Respect. It's the foundation. Without it, nothing stands. You've seen these signals now. Not to act, not to react, not to fix, just to see. Your mind's been loud, hasn't it? Overthinking, replaying moments, wondering what you could have done differently. But here's the thing, you don't need to do more. You don't need to be more. You just need to notice, to pause, to breathe. The world's noisy. Your inbox, your notifications, your thoughts, they pull you in every direction. But right here, right now, you can stop. You can choose what matters. Not her actions, not her words, but you, your time, your energy, your heart. They're not endless. They're not cheap. They're yours. And you get to decide where they go. Not out of anger, not out of hurt, but out of clarity, out of calm. This isn't about her. It's about you. What you see, what you choose, what you protect. So take a moment. Close your eyes if you want. Feel the weight, lift, not because anything's solved, not because anything's changed, but because you see. And that's enough for now. If this helped you, pause. Even for a second, come back. Tomorrow, next week, whenever the noise gets loud, this is here for you, for that quiet you're looking for.